How to remove your TV from a wall mount, step-by-step guide, Step 1. Unplug and prepare. Start by unplugging all the cables from your TV, including power and HDMI cables. This will prevent any potential damage during the removal process. Step 2. Check the wall mount type. Wall mounts generally fall into two categories, fixed and tilting/swivel mounts. Identify which one you have, as the removal steps may slightly differ. Step 3. Locate and release safety locks. Most TV mounts have safety locks or screws that secure the TV to the mount. Use a screwdriver to loosen these screws or release the safety clips. Step 4. Lift the TV off the mount. With the safety mechanisms released, gently lift the TV upwards and away from the wall. It's best to have someone assist you to avoid dropping the TV. Step 5. Remove the wall bracket. If you plan to take down the wall bracket as well, use a screwdriver or drill to unscrew it from the wall.